Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from this developer, FLAR2 DevCheck Device and System Info, and when your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all about your Xiaomi's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!